Hello guys, welcome back to IIT Prep Solution channel. Today I am going to explain this question. If A equal to 3i minus 4j and B equal to minus I minus 4j, then calculate A bar plus B bar and mod of A bar plus B bar. First we will find A bar plus B bar is 3i minus 4j plus minus I minus 4j. Plus of minus minus ij plus minus 4j minus 4j 2i minus 8j. Value for A bar plus B bar. Now we will find the mod of A bar plus B bar, that is under root of 2 square plus minus 8 whole square. This equal to 4 plus 64. Under root 68 value is 8.2. Therefore answer is 2i minus 8j comma 8 comma 2. This is the required answer for this question. Thanks for watching this video.